Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. It is time to decorate my monthly spread in my Sterling Ink A5 Common Planner, and I will be using stickers from my July release. These are the delphinium flowers and I just love them. So I'm going to be using the deco sheet as well as the circles. Now my monthly spreads are going to be different going forward because I no longer have a currently page to decorate in my daily spreads. There aren't enough pages for the second half of 2024 in the Common Planner. So my daily pages are just going to be the daily pages. There's not going to be any currently on there. But what I used to keep track of on my currently pages were my currently inked as well as books read, and I've now decided that I'm going to keep track of that in the habit tracker. So I'll keep track of all my currently inked, I'll keep track of books read here, and actually that means I'll properly use this, and I really like seeing it here. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, we'll use some of this washi from the washi tape shop, and unfortunately they no longer have it, which is well, I'm glad I kind of stockpiled on it a bit. So let's, whoops, that was a horrible ripping job. Oh well. And then this can kind of go up here. Okay, that'll work. Then I will take one of these circles and place that here to kind of cover up where I screwed up on the cutting of it. Then I will place maybe 2 of these circles here, and then place this one. Can I get away with placing that there? Oh yeah, totally. Love it. Then I can actually put more down here, but I'm gonna start with one going in this direction, because why not? And then I'll have the second one going in the other direction. There we go. Oh. And oops. There we go. So I use my monthly spread to keep track of YouTube videos that I'm going to post, and basically what my month is going to look like in terms of social media. And yeah, I can place that there. That's fine. And then it's also a place that I plan out the stickers that I will be using so that I have a better idea really of my stash and what I can use, things like that. So let's put this one. Oh, I forgot I can cut these. Oh, scissors. I did this last time and it worked out really well when I cut them. Gosh, where is that ink coming from? So I'll place one just like so, and then place this other one. I actually don't mind if it looks like it's coming out of the calendar. Okay. Oh, I have one more. Let's do that again. This one will look like it's coming out from here. And then this one will do. Okay. Not. I know a lot of the time I basically say just put the sticker down, but it's not gonna look great. I'm not gonna be happy with it, so it's okay. I don't have to use everything. So let's put some of these here. And then the last one. Perfect. Okay. Simple, but pretty. All right. So now I'm going to go in with my fountain pen here to write in IG and YouTube for every day in the month. That doesn't necessarily mean I'm going to post on Instagram and YouTube every day of the month. It just allows me an overall visual of what the month is going to look like. And then I will put down a few videos that I already have planned. Gosh, I realized I didn't have any sticky notes this month, which is interesting. And then once I do have an idea of what videos I'm going to post, then the corresponding picture normally goes up on Instagram. And then down on the left-hand side column, I'm going to write down what stickers or what collections or what shops I'm going to be using for that week in my planner. So there's the spread all finished, really simple, but I also love how the ink matches with the stickers. So if you're ever curious about how to use a monthly setup for social media, this is the way that I do it, but it also coincides with how I'm going to use my stash and what stickers I'm using, which really helps me in terms of shopping my stash, so I'm not constantly buying stickers. And I've been really good actually about not buying as many stickers this year as previous years. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.